While solving relation-based problems, always follow the same approach. First, identify the two sets, then understand the rule used to form the relation, write the ordered pairs, and finally find the domain, codomain, and range. Once you follow these steps, such questions become very easy. Let's begin with the first question. We are given the set A containing the numbers 1 to 14. A relation R is defined by the condition 3x minus y equals 0. We can rewrite this equation as y equals 3x. Now substitute each value of x from the set A. If x is 1, y becomes 3. So we get the ordered pair 1, 3. If x is 2, y becomes 6, giving 2, 6. If x is 3, y becomes 9. If x is 4, y becomes 12. When x becomes 5, y becomes 15, which is not present in set A, so we stop here. Therefore, the relation is curly brace 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12 curly brace. The domain is the set of first elements, so it is curly brace 1, 2, 3, 4 curly brace. Since the relation is from A to A, the codomain is the complete set A containing the numbers 1 to 14. The range is the set of second elements that actually appear in the relation, which is curly brace 3, 6, 9, 12 curly brace. Notice that the codomain contains many more elements than the range. This is an important difference to remember. Now let's solve the second question. A relation is defined on the natural numbers by the rule y equals x plus 5, where x is a natural number less than 4. Since x is less than 4, the possible values are 1, 2, and 3. Now substitute these values. When x is 1, y becomes 6. When x is 2, y becomes 7. When x is 3, y becomes 8. Therefore, the relation in roster form is curly brace 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8 curly brace. The domain is curly brace 1, 2, 3 curly brace, and the range is curly brace 6, 7, 8 curly brace. Every time you write a relation in roster form, simply list all the ordered pairs that satisfy the given condition. Now let's solve the third question. We are given A equals curly brace 1, 2, 3, 5 curly brace and B equals curly brace 4, 6, 9 curly brace. A relation is defined such that the difference between x and y is odd. An odd difference is obtained only when one number is even and the other is odd. So compare each element carefully. The number 1 forms valid pairs with 4 and 6 because the differences are 3 and 5, both odd. It does not pair with 9 because the difference is 8, which is even. The number 2 is even, so it forms a valid pair only with 9 because the difference is 7, which is odd. The number 3 forms valid pairs with 4 and 6, while the number 5 also forms valid pairs with 4 and 6. Therefore, the relation is curly brace 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6 curly brace. The key to solving such questions is to check every possible ordered pair against the given condition instead of guessing. Once you practice this step-by-step method, writing relations and finding their domain, codomain, and range becomes quick and accurate.